guys, and we are back with some more BlitzWolf TWS earphones. Previously we have reviewed some interesting and mostly good quality earphones from the BlitzWolf brand, which certainly have unique and well built designs. Well, today we hope we have the same with these new BlitzWolf BW-FYE8 truly wireless earphones. Inside, we have a very detailed user manual. Another little box to the left hand side, let's take that out. And inside, we have two pairs of ear tips. Do have a grey coloured outer layer with almost an luminous green in a ring. Two medium and two small. We also have a micro USB charge cable. So unfortunately we don't have Type-C charging with these particular earphones. Let's move these to the side just for now. And let's first look at the case. This BlitzWolf charge case has a 500 mAh battery, which apparently is capable of charging the FYE8 earphones up to 3 to 4 times. It has a full 18 hours capacity with a charge time of only 2 hours. Charging is done by the micro USB port to the rear. To the front we have the BlitzWolf logo along with those charge status indication lights. It does come with that lovely matte grey exterior with a gloss black lid. And yes, indeed, this lid is magnetic. It is solely made out of ABS plastic, and as you can see, opening it up, you can see the embedded charge sockets with the charging pins to the bottom. You also have that embedded lid to stop them from rattling around when in the case. Let's move that to the side just for now, and let's have a look at the earphones themselves. And okay, now these look real nice. These BW-FYE8s do have an AirPod look design about them. They have an ergonomically curved shaped shell with dual microphones, dual dynamic drivers, which are described as having a graphene diaphragm, which a lot of BlitzWolf earphones do have these days. It gives them a higher potential to produce excellent frequency response across the whole audio region. In other words, making them loud with no distortion, with a good probability that the mids and highs will be clear. Yes, as you can see, we do already have 2 ear tips already fitted, so that is 3 pairs of ear tips included, small, medium and large. The earphones themselves have a 40 mAh battery, with a charge time that's specified up to 2 hours. With that charge time you will get about 5 hours use, and the extended 18 hours use with that charge case. We do have the new type of charge magnetic connectors to the bottom. They are indeed TPX5 waterproof. And finally, these FYE8s do have touch controls included. For play, pause or call answering, simply press the side of the earphones once. Press twice on the left earbud for the previous song, twice on the right earbud for the next track, double touch any earphone if someone is calling and you want to reject the call, and triple touch any of the earphones to wake up Siri. Placing them back into the charge case, opening up the lid, you can see the indication lights will illuminate. Place each of the earbuds in correctly, so the right one to the right side and the left one to the left side. And they should slot very easily onto the charge pins at the bottom with a nice magnetic pull. And closing that lid, well, you'll see a nice indication of the charging to the front. Opening up the lid, both earphones will auto power on. Taking them out, they should go into pairing mode automatically, indicated by the flashing red and blue light to the side of the earphones. With the connectivity, well, these earphones do have Bluetooth 5.0 with a QCC3020 chip that is designed to reduce power consumption up to 50%. So yes, BlitzWolf are definitely trying to cover all positive aspects. Hook them up, turn Bluetooth on your device, choose BW-FYE8, and within seconds they'll be both fully synced and you'll be ready to blast some tunes. Now just a note, you can have binaural connectivity or binaural connectivity, depending on how you want to use your earphones. What's good about these BlitzWolf earphones is that you don't have that silly connectivity, which when connecting these earphones to your device connects to one earphone first and then the earphone connects to the other. That can sometimes cause a problem. What these earphones actually do is connect at the same time. Now please listen carefully guys. Take note that the first time you pair your device to these earphones, you should see a notification on your device requesting the BW-FYE8L connection. It will appear on the screen. If it does appear, please cancel this request, otherwise you may run into annoying pairing problems.
3 days later.
So after trying out these earphones for a few days, comfortability and fit was fantastic. It's always important to choose the correct earbuds so to get the best desired fit and not allowing them to randomly drop out. which I'm glad that these BlitzWolf BW-FYE8s didn't do at all. They did seal in the sound, drowning out the outside noise, and sealing in that audio. And I mean, wow! First, the bass was fantastic. It wasn't too over-exaggerated, and those high tones were a massive plus point too. They are very well levelled, with the mid-levels that didn't overpower, and they are complemented by pretty good low tones. The polarity between both drivers sat very good, so surround sound was simply spot on. I did use these earphones for a long period of time while working. It didn't feel sweaty after long use, and didn't need much adjustment. And with that long period of time, well, I got 3 hours, 55 minutes out of the 5 hours previously stated. Although I did completely use 100% volume while listening to heavy dance music and hip hop. You can achieve much more if, say, you reduce those levels to around 85 to 90% volume. I did get 4.5 charges out of the case with a little energy that was still stored. And with that distance, well, these BlitzWolf earphones did exceed those 10 meters without obstacles in the way, also without any random disconnections. Overall, I really do like these BlitzWolf BW-FYE8s. They are different, they're definitely not massive, and most positively not as big as some of those fake AirPods that are currently on the market just now. They do have a great looking design, quite stylish in fact, and right now I'm finding it hard to actually find anything negative to say. All the touches do work, they do correspond to the actual function, although I'm a bit fussy and I do prefer physical buttons rather than touch buttons, as on occasions I did adjust these earphones and a few times I did accidentally touch those touch buttons. Nevertheless, these BlitzWolf touch style earphones are excellent. If I was to rate these out of my usual rating out of 10, then today honestly I've got to give these BlitzWolf FYE8s a 9 out of 10. For cheap, affordable earbuds, well, these FYE8s certainly tick a lot of boxes. However, the case, well, it does fit snug into the pocket, but it is a slight bit bulgy at times. Yeah, it's certainly not a pocket-friendly design due to its shape, but you know what? I mean, for the price, that is £28 at the time of this recording, that is 37 in US dollars. They definitely come across as a more expensive product, and I'm really glad that we had the chance to test them out. I have tested TWS earphones that are £100 plus, but will not simply match the quality of these FYE8s. I most definitely recommend them, and I will leave a link for these BlitzWolf BW-FYE8s in the video description down below. While you're there guys, please go ahead and why not smash that like button. Please subscribe, making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. Please share this video wherever possible, I'd very much appreciate it. And well, thanks for watching. Peace! What, these earphones? So that is 3 pairs of ear tips. No, minus 1. Previously, we have...